Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick review of the Meco Eleverde Compressed Air Duster. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the Meco Eleverde. It says here super power turbofan. So it's basically it's a compressed air duster or a power air duster. So yeah, so let's see basically the box first here. So as you see, packaging, basically it's good. It says here it has a super strong wind, a high quality brushless DC motor, so a high capacity battery and a lightweight design. So the model of this one is the MECA2, and this is the blue color, so it comes with gray and purple. Okay, so here in the back, so model number is the ME-CA2. Battery capacity is 4,000 milliamps times 2, so 8,000 total, and current output is 5 volts 3 amps, and the maximum power output power is 180 watts. So it has a USB type C on the charging port, and the motor's BLDC stands for brushless DC motor. Okay, has 4-speed on this one. So first gear for speed, basically it is 60 minutes running time, 30 minutes running time on the second speed. Third speed is 20, and basically the highest one is 10 minutes working time. Okay, now that seems low, but again, we'll see how strong the output of this one. So come on, let's unbox this. All right, so let's open this up. So it comes with a user manual. Okay, ooh, this is a nice color, I love it. So it comes with a carrying bag, and let's see what's on the side here. So I believe these are some accessories. Yep, so you have the USB type C cable in here. We got some brushes. Okay, so we got some brushes here, different sizes. Okay, so we got some nozzles. So you got a very fine tip nozzle in here. We got this other nozzle. Yeah, so we got the medium sized nozzle, we got a large nozzle, we got some short nozzle also, but this one is tapered. This is a little large opening, and this is a very tapered. This is like precision nozzle. And then let's pull the actual blower. This is nice. I like the finish on this one. I love it. This one looks very nice. So it comes with this logo here in the side, Meco Eleverde. So up to you how you pronounce that. And on the packaging, basically the power button is protected by this cap. So we're gonna remove this, and we might need to charge it before we can do the actual testing on this one. Yep, so here in the bottom, again, it says the model, the battery. It says 2 pieces of 4,000 milliamps battery. Input is 5 volts equals 3 amp. Power is 180 watts max. Again, I like the quality of this one. Yes, it works. That's strong. I know you cannot really see it, but that's the strongest. This is the first speed, second speed, third speed, fourth speed. This is crazy. Yeah. So to power this one off is you need to press and hold, and it will turn off. So if you want to increase the power, you can use some nozzles. Basically, by tapering this, it will build up the pressure, and you'll have basically the output will be stronger. So Let's see. Tap and hold. Yeah, this is strong. Yeah, there's a proper way to test this. But now this is nice. I like it. I want to try this. So this one actually you can use it, I think, as a vacuum or not. No, because it doesn't have a filter unlike the other one. But yeah, this is nice. I like it. So I want to use the precision one. Yeah. Okay, so the precision tip I won't use on high speed. Yeah, because the air is like backflowing somewhere on the holes in here at the USB port. But yeah, so yeah, this is nice. Right now, you can purchase this one from Amazon. Right now, I think it's $75 at the time of recording. But this is nice. I like it. The quality, the material that they use on this one, it's nice. So again, dusting like the inside of your car, you can do this. Like the keyboard in your computer, you can dust this, or you can use this to dust it. All right, so kind of like pour some flour here in the garage floor, and just to give you some visual on this demo on how powerful this fan is. So let's start with the first speed. So I'm about 3 feet away from it. Okay, so some are moving. Now I'm like 2 feet away. So back to 3 feet away. Now we're going to do the second speed. So yeah, starts to move. So the floor is moving. So now let's do the third speed. 3 feet away. Okay, so if you're dusting, most likely you're gonna be close. So if we're gonna be close, it's gonna be like this. So it's about 8 inches away from it. Okay, so as you see there, now back to about 3 feet away, the highest speed, and it's blowing. Okay, and again, when we're dusting, it's gonna dust it for sure. Now it's gonna be slippery here in the garage because of the floor. So we keep dusting it, it's just gonna blow it away. So yep, so this one works. So it works well. So if you want to purchase it, I'll put the link in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.